that key first.
No, we're saving this baby for last. Maybe there's something.
Okay, shut up. Just go.
Okay. It's fucking bullshit. We have to edit that out and play.
Just leave it.
No. Oh, good jig. How many of those I got now?
Who gives a shit?
I know I'm wasting a bunch of money, but I don't even fucking care.
Yeah, you do.
No, not really. See, that's what I'm gonna get the whole time. I get the same thing every single time. I never get
That's
ahead.
what to be expected.
Yeah.
See, you could have gotten 3 vintage hats by now.
No. Nobody gives me keys. Oh yes! I've always wanted this.
Shit.
Fuck yes.
Nice.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Yes.
Is that?
God dang, I love that hat.
All right, that's nice.
Once again, unusual.
God,
We've opened well over
200.
almost 200 crates. Never get one before. I don't expect to ever get one. People get them on their first crate.
Hopefully you get one out of any
So
of
many
these crates.
people.
Maybe this one right here will be
Yeah,
one.
that's the last one. We're saving that one for last.
It's gonna be a fucking Jag.
It's gonna be a Jag. I know it. If it was a candy cane, I'd be happy. And a goddamn Jag with that fucking sword.
How do you open the supply crates?
Normal keys.
Do you get anything good out of them?
You get shit. Oh, unless it's a Series 9. So Series 9 are good.
Damn, down.
Shut up.
You got me one hat. What are those?
I hate fucking watching videos and people getting like three crates, opening
Hat, 3
three
hats.
hats.
You got the Festive, the Jag, and
That's all I get is a Jag. I don't know what the fuck. Jag is like the most commonly dropped thing. I don't ever get candy canes, and I trade them away. I need a candy cane.
Thanks, Catcher.
If this is a candy cane, then I'll be okay. I want another candy cane.
I want a hat, so that candy can get shoved up your butthole.
Yeah.
And because it's the last thing we know, it's a Jag.
Yep. But
You got one hat.
it's this key.
You got one hat out of all this
It's
shit.
this key, the stocking stuffer, and
Give
it
a shit.
gives this magical powers, which makes it unusual. Okay,
now
so
that
we
you
get-
said that, you fucking curse it, and it's gonna give you the worst game.
It's gonna be a Jag!
3 back scratches in a fucking row.
Oh, you just wasted a whole bunch of money.
Whatever, I got a Prince. There we go. That was well worth it.
Oh, it wasn't.
One fucking hat for $25.
Yeah.
Is that hat worth that much?
No.
There
You
you
can
go.
buy it on. You can buy it at the
Yeah,
store.
but if you buy it, it's fucking worthless because you can't trade it.
I'm gonna go open it. Great. You gotta get me one.
Huh?
Oh, you owe me some of that shit.
Okay.